What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to change the artwork on your Spotify playlist, all by using your phone to any picture you want. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I have a little bonus content. It's actually a little answer to some questions that a few of you have asked me from a past video on when you're sharing your playlist to your Instagram stories and the artwork's changing and all that. I got a little trick that I figured out. It's really simple. Just wanted to show you guys, so stick around for that. And also, this video is sponsored by my good friends at irockradio.me. They have a wide variety of rock and roll from the 80s, 90s, all the way up to today, and also some indie music once in a while from some local bands, unsigned bands. Really good stuff. You can go check them out and listen to them 24/7 worldwide. Doesn't matter where you at. You can do it all from your phone as well on the TuneIn app. I'll leave a link in the description to irockradio.me and to the TuneIn app for you guys to go download and start listening. Alright, so here we are in the Spotify app, and as I was saying, I'm going to show you how to change your artwork. It's really simple, really quick. What you want to do is go into your library, obviously, find the playlist that you created yourself and that you want to change the artwork in, and I have this playlist up to show you guys. And what you want to do is you want to see these three little dots. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll and you're going to see edit, and you're going to click on that, and then it's going to say change image. You can hit that button, choose from your library, you can take a photo, and you can remove the current image. Obviously, we're going to choose from library in this case because I already have an awesome photo up. And there we go, we're going to use this picture, and you can go in and you can actually crop it however you wish it to look, and we're going to do it just like that, and we're going to move it over here. I'm just picking an image that I had in my album for you guys real quick. And then you're going to hit choose, and then there you go. There's the image changed. Really simple, easy to do. You can do it anytime you want. Make sure you hit the save button, and bada bing, bada boom, it's going to do its thing with the three dots, and there you go. There's the new image on the playlist. You can back out, go back in, it's going to stay the same. Now, for the bonus content, as I was telling you guys, I figured out a little trick or whatever. Some of you guys may have known this, but some of you not. So I figured I'd share it with you. It's the only thing I could figure out. And all you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to share it to your Instagram stories. I'm not going to go into further detail in that because I do have a video on how to share your playlist on your Instagram stories for you guys to check out. But basically what I wanted to do was, obviously you see right here that the artwork is not the same as what I just changed it to, right? So the only way I figured out you could do this is you go in your stickers, and then you're going to scroll, you're going to go in your photo album. Here we go. In this case, I got the same picture. I'm going to move this photo however I want, and you can move the playlist, you can move the photo. See, just like this, you can tap on the playlist, move it down a little bit, and let's just say, you know, for fun, we're going to use this photo. And what we're going to do is we're going to also go in back into the stickers, and we're going to add an arrow. We'll get this arrow right here. We're going to scroll this up, and you're going to see why I'm doing this here in a second. Now when we're done, everything's good to go. We're going to scroll this, but you can see the pictures over that, so it looks like, you know, it's part of the playlist. And then we're going to add it to our story, and there you go. So when you click on your story, you can see the arrow is pointing up to play on Spotify. So when I go in here, I can click on that, open Spotify, and bam, it takes me right to that playlist. It's really simple, nothing crazy, but I wanted to show it to you guys because some of you have been asking. It's the only workaround that I could find, and you can go in there and you can be really creative with it anyways. And if you weren't sure on how to share your Spotify playlists on your Instagram stories, I got a video for you to watch right now, right here. And also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell as well. It's all free. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.